Advanced Vocabulary with Urdu Meanings. Part 1. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. 1. Earnest, adjective.
पुरखुलूस मुश्ताक बयाना.
Example, an earnest student. 2. Bumpy. Adjective.
ना हमवार झटके देने वाला उछल कूद.
Example, the car jolted on the bumpy road. 3. Avenge. Verb.
बदला लेना, इंतकाम लेना, पादाश.
Example, he vowed in silent fervor to avenge their murders. 4. Heartache, noun.
रंज गम दिल का दर्द रूहानी कर्ब.
Example, the familiar pang of heartache. 5. Anathema, noun.
बद्दुआ नफरत अंगेज शे मरदूद.
Example, racial hatred was anathema to her. 6. Aversio, noun.
नफरत इख्तिलाफ.
Example, they made plain their aversion to the use of force. 7. Prevalence, noun.
फैलाव गलबा.
Example, the prevalence of obesity in adults. 8. Succumb, verb.
हार मानना मगलूब हो जाना.
Example, we cannot merely give up and succumb to despair.
9. Prevalent, adjective. गालिब जोर आवर ताकतवर.
Example, the social ills prevalent in society today. 10. Spate, noun.
बहुत सारा ढेरों.
Example, a spate of attacks on holidaymakers. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.